Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can upload an image in our web page. Yes, I'm going to be guiding you through this step by step. Very important, right? As you can see, we have our desktop. If you notice, this is the folder that we actually create. You notice image slash HTML. Well, notice this is the folder that we're going to go using. But if you notice right over here, we're going to be using Video Studio Code to do that. But I already opened it. I'm going to come right here and click to open it. All right. So right here, we're going to click right here on new file. So notice it's right up here. So I'm going to type index im dot html. Then I'm going to click right here. No, when I click right here, you're going to click right here. So I want to scroll up right here. Just want to click right here on the desktop. All right, so this is visible. I'm going to click on it and come right here and click on open. Right here now, so create the file. I'm going to click. All right, you notice it give me option right here. All right, let me show you exactly on the desktop. If you notice if I show up right in here. All right, let me bring it up so far. All right, here we're going to put in our tag. All right, we're going to say HTML close. We're going to press enter to go down. Remember, hold on the shift key. And then press the greater than or lesser than sign. So we're going to say put in the head now. So we're going to close it. Press enter again. We're going to put in the title. Alright, and then we're going to close it. So in between here, digital space. We're going to come right here at the head. And then we press enter. We're going to put in the body. Alright. And everything is what you're going to do. You're going to go through the body. Press enter right there. Press enter again. We're going to put right here in the title. We're going to type my photo. Just like that. Right, so in the body right here, we're going to put in the next set of tags. Right, so we're going to say IMG, you press space, SRC, which is the source. You want to put the equal sign. But if you notice within the equal sign, you have two quotes right inside here. Right, so you're going to press right there, you're going to put the plus, not the plus, the dot right here. So next you want to put now, right here. The name of the image we're going to put right here, and right here we're going to put in the image tag right here. Right, we're going to minimize this. So this is set for the image. You want to right click on the image. You're going to go down to the word property. And when you click on property, you want to carry it up. If you notice the type of file is JPG. Alright, so it's up to you. You want to copy it or so forth. I'm going to close that. We're going to bring up the web page. So right in between right here, both here, you want to put that and paste it right there. Good, you have that. So if you notice what we have right here, it's a remote name. So you're going to type the word remote right here. Alright, good. Let me backspace this a little. Alright, good. Go back right here. Backspace this a little. Alright, good. Very important right there. So we're going to minimize this again. So we're going to take the photo right here and put right here in the web page. Like that. So we're going to go back up. So now we're finished with this. We're going to come right up here. File. I'm going to go down to save and save that. Now we're going to minimize that. We're going to open the folder by right clicking. Click right here on the word open. Notice you can see the web page right inside here. Notice right here you can see the folder right, the image right here. So I'm going to right click on the web page. I'm not going to click on the word open. I'm going to go right here to open it. So I'm going to open it in Google Chrome. I'm going to minimize. You notice open in Google Chrome. Right, if you notice, this, let me close this one. So if you notice this itself, right here, all right. So if I come right here, and click, you notice it haven't showing anything. All right, very important. So we'll go right back right here. All right, let me see right here within the image. All right, good. So that's the image right there. Let us go back and see exactly. Here we are. So notice SRC equal. All right, what we miss out right here is simple the closing. Right there. They come right here and they click right here. All right, so we're going to go back again. Bring up this. I'm going to press right here. Refresh. Right here. If you notice, this is perfect it. All right. So this is perfect here. Image remote. All right, but if you notice it well big right here. All right, we're going to put this some width to it now. Right, so, right. We're going to put the equal. Circle code right there. I'm just going to put 100. Then I go px. So notice that is stand for pixel. So this is the height right there. So we want to put 200 just the same, like that. So we're going to save it. Then we're going to bring it up. We're going to refresh it. Right, if you notice right here, how small it come right here. Yes, it's very important right there. So this is how we actually upload an image right here in our web page. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, so remember, thanks for the surprise. See you in the next video.